Hey guys, it's me, Denial here, and I'm a monkey now. And also, I'm gonna be playing Human Fall Flat as a monkey. If you don't know what this game is, it's basically just a little game about these wiggly people who are wiggly. Um, so what is the activate? What is an instructional? No. Excuse me. I believe I said no. You know what? Why, we should just come with me. Hang on. Grab the door. Pull. It's a push door, isn't it? If anyone caught what that subtitle said, please tell me. I didn't read it. A button. I don't think they will, cause like, watch this. Crap. Oh. I guess I'll make that someday. I'll push the button, I guess. How do I, what am I do? Oh. 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 So if I grab something, and I look down, then I climb. Can I? Oh. Does this work? Nope. Can I go around this? Yeah. Okay, I'm holding on to it. Then can I use my other hand to, and then suck it, door. All right. Don't look. Don't look. That's illegal. Don't look at the statue. Exit. All right. Button. Button. All right. Well, time to leave. Oh. I guess they can't fly. Ow. So, do I have to like unblock this door? Seems like an awful lot of work. Is there anything else around here I can do? Staying there and the dumpster. A door behind the dumpster. Yep, that is I think this one's a push door. Okay, almost looked stupid again. Alright. Do I like oh and it's trains. What is this called? I don't know. What's this level called? Yep, it must be called like trains in all capital letters. What? Huh? What? I don't know. I don't even know anymore. So what does this do? So what did that achieve? Oh, I can go through here now. And then if that worked, then will it work if I go like this? Or this? Oh, I can just sort of move it with my feet. My monkey toes. Button. Do I have to hold down this button as well? Wait, did that stay pressed? So some buttons stay pressed. Alright. What's this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, it's dark in here. Nope. Not going through the creepy corridor. No way. if you guys want to see me go through the creepy corridor, since this video is probably only going to be seen by my friends, send me a Discord message after you see this video, and I'll immediately make another video as soon as I see that message going through the creepy corridor. Not clickbait. It might. I mean, I'm not going to write not clickbait. That's the most clickbait thing to do. And oh, damn it. What am I even supposed to do with the train now? It's literally broken. Up, wee. Okay, and then onto this car, and then onto this car, and then we go through here, and then button. That one stays pushed, and leap of faith. Okay. So wait, can I skip? Can I do a skip? Whoop! Haha, skipped. And then can I do a? I think that was like the entire level I just skipped. And then I jump, and I go up, and I say up. Yep. And then wait, can I? Oh no. Alright. Maybe I won't do that. So down here we have button. And then we have box. And I think if I take box and put on elevator and press button. Oh, I pressed it the first time. I have like a million mods for this game, or mod worlds for this game. So if you want to see those, smash like, I guess. If we hit 2 likes on this video, possibly 3, I will play a mod world. Also, this is the end of the video right here. Is me putting this box on this button and going out that door. That's the end of the video. You aren't getting a sneak peek to the next video, if there is one. So anyway, roll the non-existent outro.